Thank you for all the overwhelming responses that we are getting in return to the online consultations that we are doing in this pandemic for people at home, from people for working from home and setting up their skincare regimes. Thank you so much, and it just gives us more positivity. With this note, recently I have also received a testimonial and a written thank you note from a client who actually came to us in last lockdown. So she's been with us since about 8 months now, and she came in for deep acne scars. Now when I saw her cheeks and her forehead and her face has gone darkened, and she had big deeper pits all over the face, and her priority was to get rid of them. So her job was to get the scars removed, to get a flawless skin. She's quite young. She wanted to look more prettier. She wanted to get her beauty back. When I looked at her and I examined, and I told her, okay, I can do, but you need to give me time, because these are already set damages, these are already set pits, and I want some time, say about 8 months to about 10 months, maybe a year too. And you may have to come about maybe 8 times, 6 times. I do not know how you will respond. She said, I have all the time because I'm working from home. And I said, I need your trust. Also, I told her that along with the patients, you have to give me liberty to try on many modalities of treatments, because acne scar is one condition where the scars are actually puckered. Sometimes they are like a bucket, sometimes they are in a linear form, depending upon what kind of acne she had in the past. So I said, I will be using multiple treatments like peels, microneedling, I'll be using a meso pen, I'll be using a RF machine, I may use a TCA cross, depending upon how I feel which scar will work on what, and I may be just doing a mixed basket of each, because that's how the acne scars are treated. And you have to be open enough and give me liberty to use whatever I want, and I'll do my work for you. With all that trust she gave me, we started on setting up her skincare regime. Her skin was oily. She was looking very dark with the puckered scars on her cheeks. Started doing the treatments, her skin regime, products, oiliness, her quality, texture, everything started improving. In about 4 to 5 months, we could achieve about 40 to 50% of the result, and she was happy. I said, hold on, that's not the end. And we worked on more deeper, again the skin, the seasons change, and with lot of modulations in the treatment and patience, of course, and trust. Now it's about 8 months. She said, I'm getting compliments from my friends, from my family, and I'm overwhelmed with this kind of an effect. I said, this is what I needed. As a doctor, we cannot create magic in one cream or a one session treatment, especially when you have damages like acne scar on your face. Just have to keep patient, trust your doctor that she'll do the best for you. And of course, that's not the end. Now we are putting her on maintenance treatments. Now that, again, it's another work from home scenario. So oiliness, humidity in Mumbai is high. So her skincare regime products are reset. We need repair creams again going in, which will help the remaining of the scars, and so on. So, I mean, it's really overwhelming to get a client who trusts you and who's there with you, and in the return we are promising her to handhold her and get her through a skin journey from what she was to where she's getting compliments, and she's getting her happiness and confidence and youthfulness back again. So I'm so happy to give her and deliver what we had promised her, but it couldn't have been happened if she wasn't patient. So the take home message for all the clients: be with us, take our guidance, have trust, and continue the skincare. So her consistency and persistence towards the treatment gave us more confidence too. And otherwise what happens when people pull out in between, seeing that there's no results or maybe there's not working, skin care takes time. You have to understand. But the persistence and consistency of how we keep changing, rolling into different creams according to what stage you are in, really pays off at the end. Thank you so much, Gauri, and we are overwhelmed with the response. Thank you so much. If you still have any other queries regarding how should you go about your skincare regime, please contact